Hey guys, let's jump into the tutorial. First, let's add a plane. It's going to be the ground for our project. Then check the camera view whether it's correct. Now we are going to add a second camera to which we want to switch. Uh, then change the position. Yeah, that look good. Here comes the main part of the video. Click the camera and jump to the keyframe and add a marker. Then select the camera and bind it to the marker. Then jump into next few keyframes and add a marker and do the same thing but to the second camera. Yeah, that's all. It look good. Let's change the view of the second camera and let's set the end of the project to about 40 frames. Yeah, that's all.